This week, we explore the technology and economics of propaganda. We're living in an attention economy, which means that everyone's trying to get your attention in order to get into your pocketbook. These days, the technology is so compelling that we can't help but pay attention to it. As we'll see this week, the reason why Google is the largest company in the world is because it uses your data to predict your behavior. To learn more about persuasive technologies, we'll read Tobias Rose Stockwell's essay, Your Fear and Outrage Are Being Sold for Profit. We'll finish our reading of Ryan Holiday to see what we can learn from him about the economics of persuasive technologies. You'll contribute a Flipgrid video comment where you synthesize what you're learning from the course readings. Your focus this week is learning activity number 2, where you put propaganda in context. First, you'll select an example of contemporary propaganda from the Mind Over Media archive. Be sure to take a close look at the assignment specifications. You'll be offering an in-depth analysis of a single example of contemporary propaganda. To put propaganda in context, you must conduct additional reading and research on the example that you select. You'll post your analysis in the space provided on the Notion wiki space. This is an important and intense week of learning for you. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Twitter.